knows he's being looked at.
Right.
Where is he? That goes so fast.
That is.
Showing off. Must be a boy.
Right.
Bye, butterfly.
Must be a boy.
Yeah.
That's funny how smart they are, though, right? He's like moving away from us. Yeah, now that's more like it. What, the butterfly? Trying to get a little nature for my Nature's Health is Wealth channel. Got a video to put out today. So me and the children are taking a walk, getting some of this vitamin D in nature. You can talk, it's okay. So you know it's on now, huh? Little mouth just gonna go, go, go. Peaceful little area. Remember when we used to walk out and see turtles? I feel like I just saw one. I saw a little, oh look, wait. Hold on. I feel like a little turtle head peeked up. It must be doing that. Yeah, because it's like peeking up and then I'm seeing it go back down. Yeah, disappear.
I see it right there.
Yeah. Oh yeah, see? There's one that peeked up. I think those are turtles. Can you guys believe the sun is 93 million miles away and we can feel this hot?
I see one swimming.
Yeah, you can see them.
Ooh, I saw one duck their head under again.
And then just like, I like named it. Man, it was just so, ooh, turtles are cute though.
That's why I wanted to take a walk.
It's kind of humid. Turtle?
No, so we can get out here and enjoy it.
Humid, extremely.
It is getting humid though, but enjoy it. Temperature gonna drop to the 60s next week, they say. Yeah, they definitely placed more grass. Must have did it when they were redoing that. And it's just complete, like I totally remember going to the edge.
Sean, do you want to play tag? Want to be it?
Okay, so we have to play trail tag. We can't go too far from the
Oh, I
trail.
thought we were going to play in here.
See those babies out there running and playing tag? That's what life is about. Living it, experiencing it to the utmost. And you can only do that when you're in good health. Gotta take your health seriously by moving, getting out in nature, taking in some vitamin D from the sun, eating a healthy diet, drinking your water. And taking good supplements. And that's what this channel is going to be all about. Specifically our health. Specifically eating well. Specifically learning what real wealth is. Real wealth is health. No doubt about it. Being in good environments. I'm so blessed to live where I live, where there is so much beauty around me. Well manicured lawns and all that good stuff. And prosperity, to be quite frank. I'm very blessed to live in such an environment. And that's not just something that I can do. You can do it too. And more importantly, you can hand it down to your children and your children's children. You can hand them down a legacy of health. You can hand them down a legacy of wealth. Okay? By doing what I mentioned. Eating right. Moving your body. Taking supplements to bless yourself. And if you want to know more about that, make sure that you tune into Nature's Wealth is Health. Subscribe to the channel right now. I'll flip this back to me. Subscribe to the channel right now. Don't delay, because this is going to be an amazing and fun journey of exploring health, nature, supplements, and money. And
Come on, guys.
we're going to go to a higher degree in all of those things. So be sure that you subscribe to this channel right now. Hit the bell for notifications. If you're excited about what we're going to be talking about on this channel, make sure you share this video, because sharing is caring. I put out a video on this channel right now every Thursday. So you can look for that. And there's a lot of good things on the way. Okay? Also, if you want to learn about holistic wellness, be sure to go over to my main channel, which is PhD in Me TV, and click subscribe. And when you go over there and you like what you see, and I know you will, because it's all about empowerment, education, enlightenment, and edification for your journey, then make sure you hit subscribe and share the channel. Okay, spirit scholars and prosperous profiters. So with that, I am going to remind you that you are loved, because indeed you are. Guys, I'm going over this path.
I'm gonna roll down.
And you go ahead, you can go ahead. I mean, I'm not walking fast.
I'm gonna roll down, guys.
Go ahead and roll. That looked like a flop.
I know, right?
So I want to remind you.
Go ahead, Daddy. It's real fun. Close your eyes. It's for me. That was my mom.
That's what you want. Hallelujah. So grateful, guys. I'm so grateful. I'm watching. Don't stop. See, you gotta let it loose.
Guys, watch this.
There you go. Let it. Oh, that's how you do it. Really, that is how you do it.
Like this.
Let it loose. 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 I want to let you know that you are loved, because indeed you are. You are a prosperous profiter, but you got to put in the work. And I want to let you know I'm coming at you with health and joy, which gives me strength. Abundant love, beloveds.